Actually, do you know how to enable the query store and what are the key points in it, and how much time it will be, what type of queries it is capturing all the time, and what is the cleanup data type intervals? Don't know. Okay, let's go through with that. I am considering SQL Server DBA. Let's discuss about the query store, and please to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up and like button to it. Okay, let's discuss about that query store. Actually, in the preview video we have discussed about the what is the query store and what are the key points, and let's discuss about now how to enable the query store and what are all the features it is there. Let's go to the database, right click on it and just go to the properties, and in the properties we can go through the end here, the selected options pages. Here I'm going to the maximize the screen. Here we can see there is a different modes will be there. One is a requesting mode, it is an read only, and read and write only. If you select read only, it will capture only the all the queries, but we can only the read option, you can read only and you cannot write those scripts. Okay, we can select the read and write means it is going to be options, we can see it and we can change it, we can modify it. Okay, let's, and the reason we have in few things will be there, not the few things, only the general monitoring and the query store retention and query store capture policies. Okay, so we have already discussed about the general. In the general we have it is an off, optional mode actually it is off, and option sorry operational mode request it is on read and write we have selected. That is the best and I preferred read write only. Next, monitoring. You want to monitor the query store, it is we have a time data flash intervals. We are running the number of queries and where it is going to be filled and when it is going to be flash, when it is going to be clean. So we can set a particular time of period, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes or 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever the time is required. We can set up a time, at the particular time the data will be clean. So here we can see the frequency at which query store data is flushed and persisted to disk. Okay, and next one, statistics collection intervals. It will collect the all the statistics of the running the queries on the database. And we have an optional time is also there. There is a 1 hour, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour or 1 day. We can see, if you don't know the what is like, if you got confused or whatever it is, see here we have an the granularity at which runtime statistics are aggregated. Okay, we can actually we can say we can collect these statistics, it is very important for the optimization. And next one, we are going to be check query store retention. Okay, in the query store retention we have maximum plans per query and the maximum size and the query store capture mode. One by one we can see here, we can mention define the maximum number of plans maintained for each query and setting to 0 the limit with the regarding to the number of captured plans. So here I have mentioned the 200, or if you want to change 20 or 150 the query plans like that, and we can provide the maximum size, how much size you want to provide this query store. And here I have provided 1000, or we can mention 500 as well as 5000, 200, 600, whatever the requirement is as per your work or as per your requirement you can put it. And please do subscribe to my channel. If you already subscribed, like it. And the query store captured mode is off, it is an auto, we can select. So there is an options will be there, one is all and auto and non and custom. So what are the difference between each and every means, we can see select all means to capture all the queries, and next one auto to capture queries based on the resource consumption, and next one is select none to stop the process to capture the new queries. What are the new queries it was running, it won't be captured, only it will capture only the old one. And next select custom to capture queries based on the custom captured policies and options. That is the one, understand, right? Okay, next, size based cleanup mode, and we can select an auto and we can select an off. Here we can see the off and auto. Here we can select the off, means data cleanup does not take place, it won't be cleanup. If you select the auto, data cleanup happens automatically. That is the one. And next one, stale query threshold for 30 days. During the 30 days, query store runtime statistics, and after that, wait statistic capture mode. It is an on. If you off, means the wait statistic won't be captured. So this is the query store. We can enable it, and this is all the options we have. And in the here we can see once it is enabled, and after that there is some of the queries run on the background on the particular DBA. Some of the scripts was run. Okay, then so we can current disk uses. We can see employee table is, what is the size of the table is 15 MB, and the query store used 1 MB only, and we have provided here it is provided 600, and it is in before we can provide 1000, right? So that is one. It is in 999, it will be there, and the query store used is only 1 MB. And if you want to clear everything, I don't want to be save the data, you want to clear, means click on here. Okay, the data is cleared totally, there is no query stores are there. Click on OK, it is done. We have enabled the query store, and we can go through the some other features also there in the query store. There is an query regression and overall resource consumption, and this is the bit topic. It is a good topic and it is bit lengthy, and I'm going to explain in the next video. This is the way we have to enable the query store. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks so much, and please to subscribe and like, and share it as. Thank you.